Good day, everyone. Our topic for today is terminologies in maintenance. Let us begin with the term maintenance. Maintenance simply means taking action to keep equipment in good working condition or to restore it if it stops functioning properly. In other words, it's about making sure that machinery continues to perform as intended, and if it doesn't, we bring it back to that state through proper repairing or servicing. Next, we have preventive maintenance. This is the maintenance we do before a failure occurs. It follows a planned and predicted schedule, such as daily checks, weekly servicing, or annual overhauls. The idea is to prevent problems rather than fix them later. For example, changing oil at regular intervals or inspecting filters before they get clogged. So, preventive maintenance is proactive, not reactive. Corrective maintenance is the opposite of preventive. It is done after a breakdown or fault has occurred. When a piece of equipment fails, we identify the cause and repair or replace the faulty part to restore operation. This type of maintenance is unscheduled and often requires immediate attention. For example, repairing a pump that has suddenly stopped working. Now, let's move to predictive maintenance. This method uses measurements, monitoring, and signal analysis to predict when a failure might happen. It allows engineers to carry out maintenance just in time, not too early, not too late. We use modern tools like vibration analysis, oil testing, and thermography to assess equipment condition during operation. It's a smart approach that combines technology with engineering judgment. Every good maintenance program is guided by a maintenance plan. This is a document that outlines how maintenance will be managed, including what needs to be done, when, and with what resources. It lists tools, facilities, schedules, and even manpower requirements. Essentially, it is the roadmap for all maintenance activities on board. Now, what do you mean by reliability? It is the probability that a piece of equipment will perform its function satisfactorily for a given time under specified conditions. In ships, reliability is vital because we need continuous and stable operation. Breakdowns at sea can be costly and dangerous. Hence, marine engineers must ensure systems are reliable, especially in unattended machinery spaces where regular monitoring is limited. Maintainability refers to how quickly and easily we can restore equipment to working condition after a failure. If equipment is designed and maintained well, it will be easier and faster to repair. In other words, maintainability helps us reduce downtime and increase availability. Now let's talk about active repair time. This is the actual time during which maintenance personnel are actively engaged in fixing the problem. It does not include waiting time for tools, spares, or paperwork. Only the time spent physically working on the repair. An overhaul is a comprehensive inspection and restoration of machinery. It is usually done after a certain number of running hours or at scheduled intervals. During overhaul, the equipment is opened up, inspected in detail, worn parts are replaced, and everything is reassembled and tested. The goal is to extend the service life and reliability of the machine. When we talk about quality in maintenance, we mean how well the maintenance work meets the requirement, standards, or expectations. Good quality maintenance ensures safety, reliability, and operational efficiency. Poor quality work, on the other hand, can lead to repeated breakdowns and higher costs. Maintenance personnel are the people who performs these tasks: preventive, corrective, and predictive maintenance. They may be called technicians, service engineers, mechanics, or repair personnel. Their skill and attitude directly affect the performance and reliability of the ship's machinery. Finally, we come to inspection. Inspection means carefully observing and assessing the condition or performance of the equipment. It is often the first step in detecting problems early. For example, during an room round, if we notice unusual noise, vibration or leakage, that inspection helps us timely preventive action. To summarize all the terms, maintenance, preventive, corrective, predictive, reliability, and others are interrelated. Together, they form the foundation of the maintenance philosophy every marine engineer must understand. By mastering this technology, we can plan, execute, and monitor maintenance effectively, ensuring safe and reliable ship operation. Thank you.